Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well in your life. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel Basic English with Anurag. If you haven't liked my channel, please go like and subscribe my YouTube channel Basic English with Anurag. So, now today I will teach you noun. It's a very common topic. It's asked in every exam, every competitive exam. Either you are preparing for SSC or UPSC or any other competitive exam. So, you all know that definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. It is a bookish language. I will not teach you a bookish language. I am going to tell you just a very simple language. What is noun? You can say that noun, noun, naming or non-living thing that can feel only. Naming or non-living things that can feel only. Things that can feel only. Naming or non-living things that can feel only. So here I have told you living and non-living things. So what is living here? Living can will be person. Living can be person, or other words. In person, if we talk about like Mohit, Rohit, etc. Other words like animal, cat, Billy, etc. So I am going to take an example of now. Like example, I am taking Sunil came yesterday. Sunil came yesterday. Okay. So in exam, it will be asked what is Sunil, what is came, what is yesterday in this sentence. It will be asked in error questions. It asked in every exam. Okay. So I am going to teach you and tell you there's very short trick to know that what is a subject here, what is object here, what is verb in this sentence. Okay, to know the subject in the sentence, you have to put in your mind, you have to know only, we have to learn only three words: who, what, whom. Okay, who, what, whom. You have to put in your only three words: who, what, whom. आपको अपने दिमाग पास you have to learn only who, what, whom. So you have to question by who, what, whom. Like here I am questioning like Sunil came yesterday. Who came yesterday? Sunil came yesterday. Who came yesterday? Sunil. So here it will be this sentence: Sunil work as a subject. Work as a subject. Work as a subject. Okay. Look, another I am taking example. Rahul helped Mohit. Rahul helped Mohit. So what I told you, who, what, whom. Who helped Mohit? Rahul. So Rahul will be subject here. Okay. And whom Rahul helped? Mohit. So Mohit will be object. Hmm. Means you have to question by who or whom. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन करने पे हु से सेंटेंस का जवाब मिल जाता है तो वो सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. जैसे हु हेल्प्ड मोहित, राहुल हेल्प्ड. सो हु विल बी सब्जेक्ट हियर एंड मोहित विल बी ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. लुक अनदर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग like the other example I'm taking: stories are liked by children. Stories are liked by children. Liked by children. So what I told you, who, what, whom. So what you have to question by three words. Either तीनों में से कोई एक से क्वेश्चन करेंगे. जैसे हियर स्टोरीज आर लाइक्ड बाय चिल्ड्रन, तो हु से कर नहीं सकते, तो व्हाट आर लाइक्ड बाय चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट से करेंगे. व्हाट आर लाइक्ड बाय चिल्ड्रन स्टोरीज, तो स्टोरीज अगर जवाब मिल जा रहा है व्हाट तीनों में से किसी एक सेंटेंस से, व्हाट आर लाइक बाय स्टोरीज, तो हियर विल बी स्टोरीज विल बी सब्जेक्ट एंड चिल्ड्रन। मैंने बताया आपको कि होम से क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो अगर जवाब मिल जाएगा तो उसको ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा सेंटेंस में, जैसे whom stories are liked by, whom stories are liked by children, so it will be an object here. Okay, are you understanding? Like another example I am taking, another example I can take, love can change people, love can change people, can change people, love can change people. Okay, so what I put subject, what can change people, what can change people, love will be here, subject, love will be children. Okay, and whom love can change, whom love can change people, so it will be object here. Okay, so what I have teach you today, I have teach you today noun is the naming or non-living thing that can feel only, and I have taken the example also, like I have taken the example, Sunil came yesterday. So you have to know, you have to put in your mind only three words, who, what, whom. If the reply came by questioning that three words, then it will be work as a subject, like who, what, whom. Who came yesterday? Sunil came yesterday. Sunil will be a subject, and whom came yesterday? Yesterday will be object in this sentence. Another example I have taken, Rahul helped Mohit. So who helped Mohit? Rahul, and Mohit will be object in this sentence. So another, and again I am going to teach you about the noun. Again, noun. Noun can be a pronoun. Noun equal to pronoun. Sometime like this question can also ask. Like example, we can take Rahul knows Simral. Rahul knows Simran. Simran. So what I have told you that who knows Simran? Rahul knows. Here will be a Simran. Rahul will be a subject and Simran will be object. Okay. Another example I can tell you. He knows her. He knows her. He is pronoun. Pronoun I will teach you further on. Only in this sentence I am teaching you how to know that what is a subject and what is a object here. So who knows her? He knows her. Who knows her? He. Whom knows? Who knows he? What I have told you, who, what, whom, तीनों में से किसी एक से क्वेश्चन करेंगे, अगर जवाब मिल जाता है whom से तो उसको वही सेंटेंस का ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो her will be object in this sentence. I hope you all are understood the noun and what is the subject and what is object in this video. So I will be for if you have understand, so please like and share and please keep your feedback in the comment box. Okay, thank you guys.